Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud computing and discussing the top benefits of using infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, for modern enterprises. So, let's get started. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline and optimize their operations. This is where IaaS comes in. By providing a virtualized computing environment, IaaS allows companies to access and manage their IT infrastructure remotely, without the hassle and cost of maintaining physical servers. The first major benefit of IaaS is cost savings. By utilizing a pay-per-use model, businesses only have to pay for the resources they actually use, rather than investing in expensive hardware and software. This not only saves money, but also allows for greater flexibility and scalability, as businesses can easily adjust their resources as needed. Another key advantage of IaaS is improved efficiency. With a virtualized environment, businesses no longer have to worry about hardware maintenance, upgrades, or downtime. This allows IT teams to focus on more important tasks, such as developing new applications or improving existing ones, leading to increased productivity and innovation. IaaS also offers enhanced security measures. With data stored in secure, off-site locations, businesses can rest assured that their sensitive information is safe from physical threats and cyber attacks. Plus, IaaS providers have dedicated teams and resources to constantly monitor and update security protocols, ensuring the highest level of protection for their clients. But perhaps the biggest benefit of IaaS is its ability to enable businesses to quickly adapt to changing market demands. In today's fast-paced business world, agility and flexibility are key to staying ahead of the competition. With IaaS, businesses can easily scale up or down their resources as needed, allowing them to respond quickly to market trends and customer needs. So, if you're a modern enterprise looking to stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape, IaaS is definitely worth considering. Not only does it offer cost savings, efficiency, security, and agility, but it also allows businesses to focus on their core competencies rather than IT infrastructure management. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.